Rotating transmitter. Rotating receiver. T130 transmitter and T131 receiver. Turn off the transmitter. Continue to hold down the right button on the right hand, then hold down the M button with your left hand for 2 seconds to turn on the transmitter. Leave the button with your left hand. You will see the ID number is changing. You can click the right button or left button to change the ID number. Click the AM button to confirm the ID number is flashing, and enter the wireless transmission state with ID matching. Receiver wireless ID setting. Turn off the receiver. Press and hold the left button in the left hand. Press and hold the middle button in the right hand for 2 seconds to turn on the receiver, and leave the button with the right hand. When the ID number is displayed as 00, the receiver has entered the wireless ID receiving mode. The ID number will be changed to the same ID as the transmitter. When they are opened again, they will now work. Receiver manual ID setting. Turn off the receiver. Press and hold the right button in the right hand. Press the middle button in the left hand for 2 seconds to turn on the receiver. Leave the left hand button. ID number is changing. Click the right button or left button to change the ID number. Click the middle button. Then close it and the manual ID setting process is completed.